Hello, seventh graders. You might remember the last time I did a recording, it actually went viral on YouTube, as you see here, with 6 million views, over 6 million views. I'm hoping to get that many with this one as well. So I want to show you where you can go for a fantastic source for finding current events. So on the ISB main library page, if you were doing this at home, you would click on here, because you need to get access, and you can see the username and passwords. If you scroll on down to this called Newsbank, and you click on that at home, and you would put the username BSI and then Panthers as the password. So since I am at home, I will actually give that a try. If you're at school, you can just click right into it. Well, it works for me at home. So here you will see at the top that you can put in a keyword or topic. So if there's something you know you're already interested in, just put it in there and then search it. Otherwise, if you're not sure what you want to look for, here's a bunch of suggested topics. And let's say you want to find something on social issues. So here's a bunch of social issues. And my eyes just went right to this one here, poverty. I won't click on that though. Say you want to find out, let's pick something a little more uplifting. Let's say you want to find something out about drones. Takes a moment. And what I really love about this site is that here on the left, you can put in the dates. So since I've asked you to do this within the last 30 days, if I were doing mine today, I would put that in. Now that will narrow down the search a bit. Some stuff on October 31st. And then I want to limit it to just newspapers. If you want, you could also click on magazines. Let's see on magazines. Now this will limit to the 144 newspaper articles. And then what I enjoy most is here under Lexile, so readability. Here you can select a reading level that's appropriate for you. So you can see that in grade 5 there are 2 articles, and in grade 6, 4. Don't be afraid to read below your reading level, or if you really want to challenge yourself, you could read more difficult stuff. The idea is that you understand the event. So I'm going to click 7th grade and see what the 3 are. Retired police chief, old pro at drone videos, that doesn't interest me. Drones, gold bars, and bikes on hit list, that sounds kind of interesting. And drone ends missing boy mystery, that sounds most interesting. So at that point, you click on it and read it, and you might listen to it actually. And if that's what you want to report on, then you've found your article. So again, this is just a fantastic way to find articles and find them at your reading level, and it searches the whole internet, different than like Newsella where it's already been curated. Thanks for listening.